Hello guys, it's me, the Call of Duty coach, who coached Bobby Place and has a Fiverr gig on Call of Duty. I just wanna make an announcement, a very quick announcement that I am going to be leaving Call of Duty coaching on Fiverr. And hold up, I have my reasons, not because of some weird reasons, okay? Number one, recently I have started playing Apex Legends and Minecraft, and I have slowly got bored of Call of Duty, and because of which I have not grinded that much in Call of Duty, and I am not practicing that much on the training room, and I feel like I'm not good enough now because I have been playing other games and I'm enjoying them, and I'm more of a casual player, so I kinda did it. So because of that reason, and because I care about my customers, I am officially going to disable my Call of Duty coaching from Fiverr, and I'm going to just keep my other gigs on. So as we speak right now, I have 2 gigs online. I am gonna make another third gig that has been offline for a while, which is meme edits. I'm probably gonna enable that. Okay, that's another thing I have been doing. So yeah, there are a bunch of gigs that I have paused and then unpaused them. So here's the thing what I'm gonna do. For now I have disabled my Call of Duty gig. I will be enabling it again when I'm gonna come back to Call of Duty Mobile and I'm gonna play. And yeah, another thing, another announcement is that probably I am gonna make more Call of Duty videos. Maybe I'm planning to make a montage clip. Maybe I will make something like that. That's another story. One last thing, my Instagram links on the other videos are not working. And that's completely fine. There were some issues with the links, and Instagram links are kind of weird. So I have actually made a Discord server. I already have a Discord server. I actually do my gigs on Discord. So I have a Discord server. I'm gonna keep it in link in description so you guys can check it out. Okay, this is just a basic announcement so you guys can I'm not going from Call of Duty Mobile. I'm not leaving it. I just think it's better while I'm playing other games, I don't get the money from the people who are genuinely looking to improve at the game. I don't want to screw up with my customers, and because of which I am disabling my Call of Duty gig until I come back to the game and I play and I get good once again and I know the meta and all that stuff. And recently couple of seasons I have not been playing that well. It's because I've gotten bored of the game, I've gotten used to the same meta and all that stuff, and I think I'm gonna move to other game. I'm gonna enjoy it, and once I feel like I am bored of it, I'm gonna come back. And it's probably gonna take some time considering I do give all the love to the game and I like to interact with the community. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, and yeah, I hope it's not gonna be a big problem. If you are looking to buy my gig, unfortunately you can't buy it right now anymore. You just have to wait until I come back. I mean, I'm not the most important person on this planet, but I hope that makes sense. And it's also better for my customers. It almost feels like I'm lying to them, calling them that I'm actually good at the game. I am good at the game. I was, but now I'm just, I'm kind of bored of it, and I just want to move on. I just want to play something else. And once I'm happy and I feel like I'm gonna go back to Call of Duty and be good, just freshen up myself, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna bring my gig back. So that's my update for it. Thank you.